Hello civil engineers, a big recruitment coming up from NHAI. They have released the vacancy for the post of Deputy Manager Technical for Civil Engineering directly through GATE 2025 score. A total of 60 vacancies are released, in which 27 are for unreserved category, 9 for SC category, 4 for ST category, 13 for OBC non-creamy layer and 7 for EWS category. So a total of 60 vacancies are released for civil engineers direct through GATE score. You can see the essential details are: the upper age limit should not exceeding 30 years. Essential qualification is BTech degree in civil engineering from the recognized university or the institute. Along with that, the recruitment criteria is direct recruitment through GATE 2025 score. Let's see ahead in this notification. This is the age relaxation for the other categories. The upper age limit for SC/ST category candidates is relaxed by 5 years. For OBC category candidates, the upper age limit is relaxed by 3 years. Then with people with benchmark disabilities belonging to SC category, the upper age limit is relaxed for 15 years. For OBC, 13 years. And for general category, the upper age limit is relaxed by 10 years. For ex-servicemen, again the upper age limit is relaxed by 5 years. Let's check ahead on this. The important dates are: the online registration has already started from 10th of May and the last date for submission of online application is 9th of June. So please keep a check on these important dates. All the registration will be done through the online mode. The important condition should be the student or the candidate who will be applying for this post should have BTech degree in civil engineering along with the GATE 2025 score. So you can just go through this detailed notification. It's a direct recruitment through GATE score. You can find all this. You can see this, the selection process on the basis of GATE 2025 score. No further exam will be conducted. Based on GATE 2025 score, the students or the candidates will be shortlisted for this particular post. Visit the official website of NHAI and apply online and keep a check on the deadlines. So if you have liked this information, don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching.